Okay, dear students, so today we will see sheet number 12. Okay, so today we will see this figure. Here, this is the front view. If you are watching this figure from here, this is the front view. So what you will see in the front? So let's see. So this is the direction you are seeing. Okay, so this is the front view. This is the front view. In front view, what you will see? You will see this. You will see this. You will see this and this. Okay, as well as this, and also you will see this one. This area you will see. Okay, this total area you will see in the front view. Okay, so now what is the length of the front view? Here the length from here to here, it is 130. Okay, and height is how much? Height is 80. Okay, this is 130 and height is 80. So what is the base height? Here the base height is 10. Okay, here the length is 130 and the height of the base is 10. So this is given here. Okay, this is 10. This base height is 10 everywhere. 10 here, also 10, 10, 10. This is 10. So, and also this thickness of the side, okay, this is 10. So this is also 10. This will be also 10. This will be also 10. Okay, 10, 10. So now let's draw this from here to here. 130, 130, and from this corner, this is 40, this is 30. Okay, now let's see here. This is 40 and 30, that means 70. Total is 130. Total 130 minus this 40 and 30 will be 70. Okay, 70, that will be how much? 60. So this area from here to here, it is how much? 60. Okay, so this will be 60. Okay, so 60 plus 40, 100 plus 30, 130. Total is 130. And this height is how much? 10. Okay, so let's start drawing the figure. So we will begin by drawing 130, and this height is 10. This total is 130. Okay, so here, because this is 10, so 130 minus 10, this will be how much? 120. From here to here, 120. Okay, so let's start drawing it. So here adjust the scale such that it is exactly parallel to the edge. Here this should be parallel to this one. Okay, it can be adjusted by this, like this. So what is the length here? Length of the base is 13. So I am drawing a line of 13. Okay, from 0 to 13. So after drawing this, so 130 is finished. So what is this height? This is 10. Okay, this height is 10, and from here to here it is how much? 120. Okay, 10 and 120. So okay, before drawing that, let's draw this. After drawing this, this is 130, right? After drawing 130, let's draw this from 0 to 80, and from here to here it is 80. So keep the scale like this. Keep the scale, keep the protractor here. Before drawing the height, every time you have to make sure that the line is perpendicular. So this is 90 degrees. Make a dot. Then height is how much? Here the height is 80. So you have to draw a height of 80. So put the scale at 8 here. Align the marks. Okay, then draw a line. Okay, so this is 80. Finish. Now what is the height here? What is the height? So the height is given here 10. If this is 10, this is also 10, this is also 10, this is also 10. So this is 10. So here also, to make sure that it is perpendicular, what you will do? Okay, take the protractor, keep it like this, and mark 90 degrees, and then keep the scale like this. And align this 90 degrees point with this and draw a line of height 10. Okay, so this is 10. Now this 10 is finished. Okay, now what is remaining here? Okay, first let's draw the total thing. this from here to here, it is how much? The total is 130. 130 minus 10 has a come, has a 10, has a 10. Okay, so if you minus 10 from 130, 130 minus 10 will be how much? From here to here it will be 120. Okay, so let's draw 120. Keep the scale like this. Okay, then draw till 120, from 0 to 120. Okay, so now after drawing 120, from here to here the height is again 80, but the already 10 is covered here, so it will be how much? 70. So now again take the protractor, keep it here, mark 90 degrees, remove it and draw a line of height 70. Okay, now join the both. Here you have to join both the dots. Okay, now this total thing is completed, but here this is a slant, this is not a perfect height. Okay, this is a slant. This slant is the, what is the height of the slant? In the front view you can see the slant height, it is 25. Okay, 25. From the upside there is a line, so keep the scale here, take the scale and from here mark 25, 10, 20, 25. Also here 10, 20, 25. Okay, now join the two dots and draw a line here. Okay, so this is the slant. Now here at a length of 60, one line, and after that at a length of 90, 60 one line, 90 one line. Okay, if you see from here, at a 60, at a distance 60 there is one line, and at a distance 90 there is one line. Okay, you can only see this. So here let me draw two lines at 60 and 90. So now I will keep the scale here. Okay, and this is 60, this is 90, 60 one dot, 90 one dot. Okay, 60, 90. Now from these two dots we have to draw two lines. Okay, this is 60, this is 90. Now what is remaining? So now you will see this height. This height is how much total? This height is total 40. Okay, so if this total is 40, this height is how much? 10. Okay, so now this thing here, This is how much? 10. This is 10. So this is how much this will be? If you draw a line, so this is 10. This will be how much? This will be 30. This is very... Okay, now let's draw here. This is 10. This will be how much? This will be 30. Okay. Okay, because here see this, here this is 10, 10, 10, 10, so this is also 10. So the height from here to here is 40. So if we want to draw the height from here, it will be 30. Okay, so 10 already there, so now we have to draw 30 from here, 30 height. Then this is how much? 25. 30 has a 30, but then 25. So now let's draw it. So keep the scale like this and draw a line 30. So this is 30. Okay, so after drawing 30 here, what you have to do? You have to put a protractor here and mark 90 degrees in this direction. Mark 90 degrees. Then in this direction how much? Here, from here to here it is how much? 25. So now keep the scale like this and draw 25. This is 25. Okay, 25. Then so here we don't know what is the angle here, we don't know the angle, so we will continue from here. So in the front view we will see this is how much? This is from here to here 80. Same here is also, this is 10. So from here to here it is how much? 70. This is 10. Okay, this is 10. So this will be, the remaining will be how much? 70. So from here to here, see the total from here to here it is 80. So this is covered here 10, other 10, so it will be 70. Okay, so we have to draw a line from here, yani from here we will see 70 to the left side, 70. Okay, so now keep the scale like this here. Okay, and draw a line (70) from here to here. Okay, okay, so this is 70. This is done. Now we are here. From here downside how much? Downside 15. Okay, downside 15. So keep the scale here. Okay, downside 15. So keep the protractor here and mark 90 degrees. Now take the scale and arrange it like this. Okay, and draw 15 till here. Okay, now we are here. Simply join these two. Just simply join this point with this point. Okay, now what is remaining? So remaining is this thing. This thing is remaining. So this is how much? This 70. Okay, from here to here it is 70. The height is 30. If you can see, this is 30. Okay, this is 70. Okay, so this is 70, this is 30, this is 30 also. So now from here to here 70, but then height is how much? Height 30, 70 and 30. So from this direction, from this point in the front view you will see from here. Okay, because you are seeing from here, so this triangle like thing, this slant will start from here for a length of 70 here, and then top side. Okay, upside how much? 30, 70, 30. Okay, so now from here $70. So this is 70. Okay, so 70 and height is how much? Height 30. So now height is 30. So from here height is 30. Okay, so this is the height 30. So we have to draw a triangle. Sorry, we have to draw this height 30, then simply join it to the here. Okay, so this is the rectangle. You will see this thing in the here. If you see this from the front side, you will see a rectangle, not a triangle. Triangle will be visible only in the side view. Okay, so you will see this rectangle of 70, 30, 70, 30. Okay, so now simply join this end with the so this completes the front view. Okay, with this the front view is completed. Now what you have to do? You have to draw the dimensions. Now draw the dimensions from here to small lines. Here one big line first. Here small line, and here also one small line. Here a big line, Okay, so it should be how much? 30, 40, 130. 30, 40, 130. 30, 40, 130. Okay, now so here is this is just for explanation at the time. Here in the height 10, 25, 80. Okay, so this is 10. Here one big line. Here one small line. Here one big line. Okay, one minute. Now here this is how much? So here this is 10, this is 25, this is 80. Okay, so rotate this like this. This is 25, this is 10, and this is 80. Okay, so next here this height is 40 and this is 25. So So this is 40, this is 25. Next, what's remaining? So this one is 15 and this is 80. Okay, so here this is 25. Sorry, this is 15. This is 15, okay? And finally, this is 80. Okay, with this the front view is finished. Okay, how the front view. Front view is finished with this. Now we have to draw the top view. So in order to draw the top view, first what you have to draw? You have to draw a line. Simply take 2 centimeters height from here. Okay, 2 centimeters from here, also 2 centimeters from here, and draw a line. Join the 2 dots and draw a line. The length of the line is not a problem, you can draw any length. Now again so in the top view, so let's do 1 minute. So now let's do the top view. So here the top view is viewed from here. Okay, like now you are watching from this direction. So what you will see in the top view, you will see this portion and this portion sorry, you will not see this portion and this portion, and as well as this thing. You will see this complete. And also this. You will see all this area in the top view. So this is how much the total height of the top view is. How much? The total width of the top view is 70 and the length is 130. So now we have to draw a rectangle, okay, of here it is how much? 130, okay. So here this total is 130. So last time we discussed that this one $60, okay. So now we will see this part in the top view, okay. So now before drawing the top view, we have to construct the total we have to construct a rectangle in which the total top view is present, okay. So what is the maximum height? Maximum height is 130, sorry, maximum length is 130 and width is how much? 70. 130 and 70, okay. So we have to construct a rectangle first. So in order to do that, what I have to do? So now for similarly here from here, okay, mark a keep the scale here in this edge and at a height of 1 centimeter, okay, at a height of 1 centimeter here make a dot, and also at a height of 70, and this will be how much? 70, okay. From here to here it is 70, okay. Similarly keep the scale here and keep the scale on this edge. It should be 80. We are making a rectangle. Actually here we are making a rectangle 1 centimeter above this line, okay. So now these are the 4 points, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. So now what we have to do? We have to join this point with this point, okay, and this point with this point. And finally this with so this completes the rectangle in which this top view will be present. Now what you have to do? From here you have to project every vertical line. You have to project all the vertical lines towards the top view, okay. Now project every corner. Now this corner is already present. Now project this. And project this. So this and this line will be coinciding, okay? When you are projecting this, these two lines will be coinciding. So from here it will go all the way to here. Now this vertical line. Now this. Now this. This one is already present, okay? So now we have projected all the vertical lines. Now what you have to do? Here, this is a channel of any, this is how much? This 10. Here this is 10, okay? So 10 and 25, there is a rectangle 10 and 25. So let's draw from here. So or else we will begin from here, okay? We will begin from here. So here this is 10, this is 10, okay? So at a distance of 25 there is a slant. For a distance of 25 there is a slant. So now here we can make for a height of 25, okay? So this is 25 on this, okay? This is 25, okay? So make a dot here and draw a line as well. So this is 25. Now join this till here. So this is what? This is nothing but this slant in the top view, okay? This is the slant in the top view, 25. Now, so this total is how much? 70, okay? This total is 70. You can see here, this total is 70. So now this is 10. So similarly we have to draw, see here. So this is 10. So if this is 10, this will be how much? This will be 60, okay? So this thing is 10, so it will be 60. So now at a distance of 10 you have to make a dot, okay? Now simply make a dot from here at a distance of 10, and this will be how much? 60. This is 10. So here you have to join. So this is 60, this is 10, right? This is 10. Simply join this point with this point. Simply join these 2 points. Okay, till here. Now, so this line is continuous from here to here, then here, here. This is a complete line. So simply draw a line here. This will be what? This will be a continuous line from here to here. Okay, so this part is nothing but this part. Okay, now at a distance of 25 there is a slant beginning. Okay, this slant is beginning at here, at this point. So now this is nothing but 25. See here, this is 25. 25 is already there, we projected 25. This is also 25 موجود الحين. Okay, this is 25. So simply make it darker here at this point. Make it darker, make this part darker. Next we have a line at the slant is ending at this point. This point is nothing but this point here. See, this 15 is موجود here, this is present here. Okay, now we are projecting this here, so this point is nothing but this. So simply make this one also darker. Now that's it. 1 2 and there is a L. See this L shape, this is the L shape. This shape is nothing but this L shape, and this slant is this one, and here this slant is this part, and this is this. Okay, now let's come here, downside. This is not complete, and this there is a groove here at 15, length 30 and width 15. See this one, 30 is there already. 30 is there already. So this height in this direction how much? 15. So now keep the scale here. This is the groove 30. So from here at a height of 15, make a dot, and also from here at a height of 15 make a dot. Now join this and join this. Okay, so here this area will be lighter, khafif. Okay, this one should be khafif, same like this area, only this is the outline. Okay, now what is remaining? This thing, this is remaining. Okay, so this in the top view will also look like a rectangle. 1 2 3 4, you will see this in the top view. So what is the length? Length is 30, length is 70 and width is 30. 70 and 30. So now we have a projection here. See, this is the projection, same rectangle, this is the projection. Now from here to here, from this point to this point, how much? 30. Now from this point here, okay, downside 1 2 3. So now simply join this towards the edge, this one. Okay, so this thing you will see in the top view. Everything is finished. See, all the marked area is finished. So here the only extra thing is this 70 dimension. Okay, so 70 and 25 also. So here it is 25, this one is 70. And 70. Also this 15. Okay, this thing is 15. This is 30. So everything else is there, and this one is also 30. We have to draw this 30 dimension. So with this, the top view is finished. Okay, as a top view. So here this distance is also 10. Okay, here this one. This is 10. Now let's draw the top view. Sorry, let's draw the side view. Now the side view is from here. This is side view. Okay. So now in order to draw the side view, what you have to do, you have to mark a point here somewhere. Here, make a point. From this point, take the protractor and mark 45 degrees. This is 45 degrees. Now join these two. This line is known as meter line. So here it is 45. Now what you have to do, project all the horizontal lines from here. Any horizontal line present here, you have to project it on this line. Okay, so this is first line, This is the second horizontal line. This is the third horizontal line. This one, okay. Next, this. See this one, this is a little bit cross. So this is not acceptable, okay. You have to draw it again. So keep it exactly horizontal. Then draw it. Okay. So now this thing. And finally this horizontal line, the last one. Okay, after projecting all the horizontal lines, what you have to do? You have to project them downside. Now project all the points. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6. Okay. You have to project all of them downside. It should be aligning with this vertical line, okay, so that your scale will be straight. Okay, total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now from here project all the, from this front view also project all the horizontal lines. And corners. This is the horizontal line. So these two will coincide actually. Okay. Now in the side view what you will see? You will see this. Okay, we have to project this also. Okay, this final line, this length. Okay, so when you are seeing from the side view, what you will see? You will see this part. You will see this part. You will see this triangle. And you will see this portion. That's it. That's all you will see in the side view. Okay, 1 2 and also this slant and this. You will see this L. So where is this L? So let's start from here. This is the, these 2 points are this, okay, 1 2. Now this corner is here, this corner, okay, and height 40, this height 40, right? So this is the height 40, so this is the point, height 40. Then this width is 10, width 10 is coming from here, see, 10 10, so this is 10, and coming downside this. So this is the shape of L here. Make it darker. Okay, so now this portion is finished. Now coming to the slant. So slant will appear like a vertical rectangle, okay. This total thing will be appearing like a rectangle. So let us draw a rectangle till the end, till here. See, this is the slant. So now this is the total height, so it will appear like a rectangle. So simply draw a rectangle here. See, this is the total rectangle, and slant is only up to this point, okay. Slant has a slant, okay. This is the slant. So this slant is coming from here to here. So here you have to draw a line. Okay. So now this is L, this is the slant, this is the slant, and this height is, okay, this height is this height, okay. Now coming from here, this is the height. What is this height? This total is 80, okay. We can see from here, the slant is starting from here, okay, this one, for a depth of 25. So this is the line coming from here. So this is the point 25, and now another line 25. This is the 25 line we are projecting. See here carefully, watch here carefully. This is the 25, okay. See this line. This line is coming from here, okay. This line is going from here and coming downside. So here, this is the point. Yani this line is 25 from here and 25 from here. هذا 25 وبعد 25. Hina see the 25, okay. That means we have to join these 2 points to get the slant. Now after getting it, what you have to do? Simply join it to the base. Here join it to the left side. Now what is remaining? Remaining is the triangle. So remaining this triangle. So this triangle is this part, okay. This triangle Here in the front view also it appeared like a rectangle, and the top view also appeared like a rectangle. Okay, so this is the rectangle, has a rectangle. So now this point, and this point. Okay, now in the top view also it is coming from here. See, it is between these two lines, these two and these two, and again this. So here the triangle is between these 4 points. Okay, 1 2 3 4. So you have to join this with this to get the triangle. So has a triangle. So this is the side view. Okay, so with this the figure is completed. Okay, so for the side view, think you can make here this point 30, make a dimension line here saying it is 30. So all the remaining dimensions are there. See how many dimensions are here. Let's see whether all of them are there or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17. So one is missing, maybe that is here, this 10. Okay, so here this 10 also we can draw, no problem. So in order to draw that, we can choose this location and draw. So with this all the dimensions are there, 18 18. Okay, thank you for listening.